What up? Magnetic here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like some of this content I'm giving you, please give me a thumbs up. Here we have an MVG 20. This is a Maytag. 18 to 20, 22, they're all kind of the same. Some people have this type of dryer in their house, but this is more of a commercial use. So this one right here, they complain about, they run it for a while, they got it running a couple of times. This has about 54 minutes and they got to run it twice, and that's too long. So something's going on here. So I'm thinking it's possibly, it could be the gas coil valve. When it starts getting warm, it kind of loses its magnetism inside the coil, and the coil loses this power. So what we're gonna do is just change the coil out, but I'm just gonna show you what it is. And like I said, later on I will be showing you guys full videos of me actually doing the work. So what you want to do is take off the kick panel, and you have clips up here. You use a putty knife, put the clips down. This one's already falling out. So what you're doing is you're coming in with the putty knife and you're grabbing right here and just pulling down, and that's how you pull the clip out. Now the gas valve, as you can see, let me cut on my light for my magnetic gloves. This is the gas valve right here. Gas coil. Gas valve, gas coil. There's two of them on here. You take off one screw and you pull back the metal bracket, and you could pull out the gas coil. Right? Once you pull out the gas coil, there's a 3-prong and a 2-prong. And you change the gas coil, because what happened is once the computer sends a signal through the thermostats and through the probe and through the fuse, it goes over here, it goes to the glow bar, and the glow bar comes on. Once the glow bar comes on, it signal for the gas valve to cut on. Once the gas valve's cut on, then it cuts on the gas and shoots out the flame. But sometimes these gas coils get hot, because what happened is it's like a little magnet here, and it lifts up the valve and it lets the gas flow through. So sometimes when it gets hot over and over again, like I said, it loses its strength and it can't open up the gas valve. So I'm going to change this and test the machine out and see how it goes. So if you ever have a problem, you got to keep drying the machine over and over, check your gas valve. It could be your problem. All right, magnetic out.